Greetings from Drake Memorial Library. This video will define primary and secondary sources in the natural sciences. There are many natural sciences databases that you can utilize to find peer-reviewed articles. These databases include ScienceDirect, PubMed, BioOne, Medline, and many more. In this video, the database that we will explore is ScienceDirect. So before exploring ScienceDirect, let's first discuss what is a primary source. What is a secondary source? A primary source is original materials or original research that has not been filtered through interpretation or evaluation by a second party. Primary source formats are conference papers, dissertations, interviews, lab notebooks, patents, a study reported in a journal article, a survey reported in a journal article, and technical reports. A secondary source is a commentary on or a discussion about a primary source. Secondary source formats are review articles, magazine articles, and books. Now that we have clear definitions and examples of primary and secondary sources, let's go into ScienceDirect. We will use the search strategy, antibiotic resistance, and nosocomial infections. Once you click search, you can choose what type of resource you are looking for. So first, we want a primary source resource. Let's just say that your professor wants you to find a primary source and a secondary source articles. We would click on a research article that we know is original research, and that is a primary source. Now you do see that there are other primary source format options available to you. So keep this in mind if you need to get a different type of resource. Once you select the format, the database will automatically update the search results for you. Click on the title of the article to read the abstract to double check that this is original research. If it looks good to you, then you export this article. Now let's go back, then uncheck the research articles. Then we want to check. Click on review articles because we know that when someone is reviewing an article that they have to analyze and comment on the original research. Again, you see the other secondary sources format like book chapters, encyclopedia, mini reviews, etc. Once you click on the title of the article, you can review the abstract to see if this is truly a secondary source. And if it is, then you can export your article. Remember, all the librarians at Drake are available to help you with your research by clicking the Ask a Librarian link on the library's homepage. From there, you can review the frequently asked questions, send a chat or an email, or find another way to contact a librarian.